First snow day. Step 1, we have to survive driving up the mountain. Step 2, we have to survive the high gear lines. Step 3, we have to survive. How do you get that little plastic MyPass thing? I don't know. It didn't make any sense. I don't have a barcode. Step 4, start snowboarding. It's now 20 past 8. Our lesson's at 10. Try to get there an hour early to get fitted out, which makes it 9. And it takes 45 minutes from Queenstown to get there. However, we're still in Queenstown, we're in bumper-to-bumper traffic, and we can see the mountain, and it is just a never-ending trail of lights.
Here we go.
Right, we've made it to the start. Hey, right?
Two-wheel drive vans up.
Oh, okay.
Just been turned back.
Yeah, rightio, mate. Thanks for that. I'll go see what's going on. Okay, new deal. We're not going skiing today because we can't get up the mountain in our car. Got a free day to go to the movie!
Oh no, we're coming to New Zealand to go to bloody movies.
This is the whole walking path to Laundromat.
Buddy, it says Skyline Queenstown is a 5-minute walk from the CBD.
Perfect.
How do I go and do Luge today?
Yeah, sometime today.
Cool.
There's a lot more of these little alleys and stuff than I thought there would be. One more secret path to go through. It's only a secret.
Electric blue, balloon platform shoes. I'm mesmerized by you, and I want everyone to know with you. Point or shoot to the rhythm of the music, and it's feeling like the night that's over. Ooh, my baby,
Still pretty chilly, isn't it?
I won't stop believing. Ooh, my baby, take the color in motion like the night that's over.
Alright, the laundromat. That's how long it takes to walk here. Nothing at all.
Like the 1970s. Never gonna give it up, never ever gonna give it up. Keep it like a nice and hot, turn it up, baby, turn it up. Never gonna give it up, never ever gonna give it up. Come on, baby, let it drop, keep it on, 'cause it's all you got.
You ready to go to Luge?
Yeah. You think I'm ugly?
You should sing it.
This is some other kids.
I won't stop believing.
Let's go. Go off and check your room.
It's getting harder and harder.
That mystery
I keep on breathing.
We're gonna go on that, yeah.
What's the thing behind it?
What thing? Where?
There, right there.
They're the buggies that you ride on.
It's a long walk.
It is. We're gonna get some helmets. The lights are on. Is it okay?
Slightly darker than my normal.
Oh, all of these thresholds can't hold me down.
Mum, I'll go up, Will.
Push through the crossroads and I hit the ground. Yeah. No different picture, but a bigger frame. To find my place, I don't need to change.
How'd you go on that last run, buddy?
Good.
So, how is your feelings?
My feelings are scared.
Can I tell you the different types of things that which ways you can do it? So in the video, they put a bucket on your head and then push you off.
That sounds horrendous.
Holy dooly, Miller. You are the breakfast professional. Are you two ready to jump together?
We're jumping buddies.
Do you know what you're even doing? Do you know what you've signed up for?
The less information, the better.
Oh my gosh, we're heading to... We are heading to Shame or Glory. We're nearly there. We're nearly there. Oh, he's looking for some good flips. Don't think he'll get any. Because, you know, that's a really good you excited?
I am excited, mate. I'm a bit excited and a bit scared.
Are you guys excited?
Yes.
We're going to right away. Pretty cool. There's the bike. There's the bucket.
Let it rip.
How long does this last for? Why did we have to go first?
It's the smart choice, trust me. Kick your feet up, and you will feel a refugee. Good idea, wasn't it?
My dad's gonna kill you! My dad is gonna call his son, which is sensitive.
There's a lot of weight under that rope right now. 1, 2, Just cut it, mate.
Oh, I didn't see him.
You guys next? Really? Dad's like, yeah, I'm just chilling. And I'm like, yeah, I'm chilling too.
I don't even remember. I'm gonna play down. We're back.
Sweet, yeah, those arms around each other's backs, and there's a handle, blue handle. Alright, let's do this.
We need to get sunshine toast.
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Check toes
Yeah, we love it.
Oh, we're from Newcastle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sunshine toast.
These are officially off.
Oh, go guys! You're braver than I was. I was scared at this stage.
Come on, Dad's gonna kill you! Nice. Sweet guys. Slowly bend your knees, sit down into your harnesses. Prop him up there as well.
Oh, they're so much more calmer than I was.
You got this well.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
You got that. You're doing well. Feeling good? Alright.
Those are one string.
Yeah, he cuts the string.
Top rope this well, tell ya. Nothing's really happening. Just lugged it up. Hold on, I got something else.
Oh.
Watch out. Oh my god.
He likes to get the gear.
It's a baby.
You want a haircut?
Look at all his back though.
Yeah.
Mama, get rid
The
of
mullet!
Joe.
You want to get rid of it?
Get it on.
Let's give it a little shave. Let's feather it out a bit. There we go.
That's better, Will.
Alright, let's see if this works.
Imagine you going to a nice comfy bed.
Did it?
No, I can't do it. But it's so good.
Make yourself brave.
Bravest 10-year-old I've seen. I would not have done that when I was 10.
Yeah,
That's when you go down, isn't it?
just-
Like, yeah. You just
Well, you gotta have another guy.
Alright, you want to
I
do
think when you're
upside
going
down.
down.
Yeah, they're doing it upside down.
Mate, you look after me, alright, bud?
Oh.
Have they got little toys on their butts?
Yeah.
Have they got toys on their butts? Alright, Will, you're around.
This one's cool, so you can let go of the ropes now. And look down. Look down.
Alright,
Push your hips out. Push your hips. That's
All
the
right,
key,
Willie,
and
you ready
bend
for
these knees
this,
for me a
mate?
little bit. Bend the knees and point down at the river. Oh, nice. Nice, looking good, boys.
Alright, Willie.
Just let a bit of blood rush to the old head.
I'm
Yeah.
going to be yelling, mate.
Wait, and
I've got
thrust
you, little
those hips
bro.
out, doing big thrust. Put your hips out.
Well done!
Good job. Hello, hello, hello.
I did everything that you said, Miller. I just imagined falling into a nice comfy bed.
Did it work?